Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 May 2018, 19 of hour, 03 of minute and 33 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what do I need for a HDMI cable? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what do I need for a HDMI cable. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what do I need for a HDMI cable. HDMI cable in a nutshell, the standard way to connect your HD TV to other devices, like a Blu-ray player or a set-top box. HDMI carries a high-quality digital signal, transferring audio and video. If the port on your TV looks the same, but is smaller than a standard HDMI cable, it could be a mini HDMI port. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.